Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix low Wi-Fi signal strengths in Windows. So this will be annoying as you then get a bad connection. For the first fix, make sure you're using the 2.4 GHz channel on your router. Some routers are going to output multiple different channels. So what you can do is go and press Wi-Fi in the bottom right, press the arrow, and you can then go and choose the 2.4 GHz channel. If you don't have it, don't worry. Let's get to the next method. Press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in device manager, and here you need to go and find the option for network adapters. Press the arrow to the left to expand it. Go and find yours. In this case, my adapter is this one here, and you want to go and right click on it and press update driver. What you can then do is do an automatic update, see if there is anything available there, and if it is an update, then go and see if it's managed to solve the problem. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is pressing search at the bottom, and you can go and type in troubleshoot settings like this. Then you can press to other troubleshooters and you can go and find network and internet, and you can go and run this. If there is some type of problem, it's going to go and be fixed. This will open up, scroll down, and you can find restart the Wi-Fi network adapter and press restart, and it will restart it. If it still doesn't work, then consider getting a stronger Wi-Fi adapter. You can get them as USBs to go and plug them. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.